Hi all, welcome to another Play Chess.com bullet banter. Let's have a look what happens today. I'll kick off bullet game. Oh, quite a strong first opponent. A 2200. It's pretty quick. Pretty quick with his pre-moves. Can I play G4? Try and play for F5. Get a pawn wedge. Establish a pawn wedge. And can I put pressure on G5? Okay, this H file looks as if I can build up. Just build up on this H file for a moment. Double the rooks. And I'll try and sack on G5 later, I think. So I'll take on G5. Unless I need to build that up a bit more. Let's just sack. Nice knight. Okay. All right. Maybe it needs some more stuff going on. Actually. Okay. It's only a pressure sack at the moment. I don't know how sound this is. Doesn't look entirely sound. Rook on the 7th though. If I start pinning things, that could be tasty. I'm playing for G5. Is there knight F5 coming up? Has he got knight F5 or bishop F5? Okay. Okay, that is dangerous. Very dangerous. What do I do? Stuck. I have to give back a piece. 12 seconds as well. Not entirely good start, is it? It's king's in the centre. Can I win the rook? Well, that's handy. Oh, we got a draw. Oh man. Okay, let's try and accept a rematch. That was quite exciting. Ooh, I knew he was dangerous. My king was exposed. It's pretty dangerous. So he plays the same sort of thing with white. It's adopting my sort of system. Is he going to go for F5? Can I get an F5 square? Alright, try and provoke F5 for this. Oh, hang on, am I playing with fire here? Can I play Queen G5? There's King H6 on Rook H6. Right. If I try and celebrate that pin. Oh, he's got Bishop E4 himself. Oh, it's check. Oh, I've messed up. Have I? I think I have him piece down. It's no good. Piece down. Can I get my king over here at least? He's chasing it. Down to 9 seconds as well. Okay. 3 seconds. That is too quick. I think I'm in trouble on the clock and everything. Can I try? Oh, he's taking that key pawn. I've been outspeeded as well. Not a great start with this guy. Quite annoying. There's symmetrical setups creates an uncertainty. If I'm doing the right thing, I suppose d4 could be good. Or g4 coming up, so I'm 7 seconds behind. Oh, I've just blundered the rook. Yeah, I've just... Oh, that rook. Unless I've got compensation here, which looks unlikely. Maybe d6 and d6. What about bishop f5? So he gave me a piece back, which is good news. I've interrupted his rooks. Oh, 6 seconds. Blimey, this is a really tough guy. So I was only a rook down. This is a really tough guy. Okay. Oh, it's gave me a piece back, thankfully. Alright, let's try someone else then. Tough guy. I think this should favour my position. Taking on c7 there. Where does his bishop go then? Does it go to d2? I'll say knight f4 or something. Okay, I'll put a knight into f4, I think. Rather than take that bishop. I think I can open this g file. Yeah. Support, I think, g5, because I might want to play h5. I'm ready for h4, I think, finally. It gives me that g file. It's not under great circumstance. Yeah, it looks as though I'm a bit slow to use this G file here. Oh, the bishop's dropping. Okay, he's a bit slow. He's a bit slow. Try and lift the dark square blockade if I can. I thought he could have played the annoying Queen G5 earlier. Can this give me the E4 square? I can again try and play for G5, I think. It's a bit tricky though. This F5 is vulnerable. What if I sport F5 like this? Oh, hang on. Okay, what happens here then? His knight on is very annoying actually. His knight on D4. This H5 pawn looks okay. Oh, I've got to speed up a bit, otherwise this is a loss in time. Come on, some pre-moves. It gives up a rook. That's a bit desperate. What was that about? He didn't need to give up rook. That was a bit of a panic station. Well. Yeah. Alright, I've got limited compensation. Doesn't want to draw, does he? Okay, he does want to draw. Potentially. Testing this again. I'm going to knight E4 at some point. Can I take some dark squares or not? Isn't it? Yeah, I'm trying to weaken dark. He's got E5. That gets unpleasant, doesn't it? Wow. Okay, that was terrible, wasn't it? Okay. H4, HG, knight G3. Alright, I got rook H2. Yeah. Okay. Can I play for bishop? Oh, he's got knight E4 now. No. He's going to play an exchange sack or something. He's going to do something nasty. Okay. I don't know. Knight here. This infiltration, huh? He's rook F7. Well, I can play this to interrupt for a moment. Just for a brief moment. What about bishop E6? It's like, oh, it's D5. Hang on, D5, knight E5. Oh, okay, I don't know. Bishop F6 here.
Yes.
I should have swapped off rooks when I had the chance. Okay, I should have swapped off the rooks. Okay. Okay, I'll let him take because I want this F4 square a bit. So H4 and knight H4. Knight F4. PFA. I like this sort of attacking position here in the tango. My favourites. Can I just nab that? And solid. If I have a solid structure, this might be interesting. Okay, he's got the past A pawn though. This is not. It's got some points here to be made. I just dropped E5 for no reason. Dynamic pawn sacks going on. That was a bit overly dynamic, perhaps. Okay, he wants a rematch. Give him what that was. Yeah, he played a lot of dynamic pawn sacks. I play with E3. It's a little bit passive sometimes compared to the. But I'll play for C5 here. Okay, I think this might be okay. Knight F4. I mean, he's giving me a target. This bishop. Wouldn't have thought that sack's too hot. This knight takes D5 or knight G6. Knight G6. Oh, this H file is mine at the moment. I think if I can, well, I can win D5 with tempo now and Rook H1. This looks very strong, that pin. I think also Queen B3 here is good with this diagonal. So I think he's a bit in trouble here. What does he do there? Let's give up that. Pin the rook. Okay, so go for his queen. And oh, there was knight g6. Okay, there's bishop d4 though. This dark square bishop is very handy here, surely. If I interrupt the pin, the protection on the pin. Okay. So I've got classic pawn center duo. Does he play? I wonder. Okay, he's giving me a little bit of space in the center. I wonder. D takes. Is that okay? I have a problem with the pawn. Maybe that's the only thing. He's not going to take there. His king's in the center, right? He's not going to take that. So okay, I've avoided a structural defect. Well, the way he's played it. So rook c1. I can try and get a battery on h7. I think. Play queen d3. So does he play g6? Okay, queen h6 looks natural. Yeah. And try and get a knight g5 later. Does he play bishop f8? Yeah. Try and just tease some weakness out first. So weakness on h6. Okay. I don't know if he's playing for g5 as well. A bit forcing, otherwise maybe h4, incoming h4, just to clamp down. Oh, okay. It's different. What about bishop g6 then? Bishop g6. Aha. Alright, exchange of queens here. Doesn't look great for me, actually. I'm not convinced about anything here. His pawns are pretty good. Clock advantage, though. Right. If I get the light square bishop, though, which he doesn't allow. Okay, I'll just hit the rook again. Okay. Yeah, he's got an aggressive pawn set. It's just time. It's just time. Oh, can we get someone else? Just a bit of variety. 2400. Well, to put my cup down for this. This is very weakening. Why have I decided to do that? It's crazy. Okay. He's got me in a bit of a panic. Okay, knight e4. Crikey. Oh! Uh-oh. I'm getting the squeeze. Oh, there was a check. Oh, there was knight c2. Uh-oh. Oh, he's queening. Ah, okay, I'll try for a rematch. It was close on the clock. Oh, he's not going to rematch. Oh, he is. It's like going really downhill there. Okay, so bishop g5. Can I play bishop b1, knight d5? Okay, I need a plan. I don't know. This doesn't look right, knight g4. Yeah, no. I don't know. Some perk. Limited. Oh, hell, on rook e6. Oh, I keep missing the opportunity. Oh, there was rook e6 opportunity. Oh no, I've just blundered the rook. Just blundered the rook. Which he hasn't taken. There's only a free rook. Okay. Nothing big. What? What? What is this under promoting a bishop? I hate this. You have to choose to promote to a queen. Where is the settings for that? Oh. Oh, crikey. Let's offer a rematch. Careful when promoting here. Just choose a queen. Doing a Lula here, under promoting a bishop. Oh, she would under promote a knight though. Okay. So no rematch there. Indeed. Oh, crikey! More material was lost. I'm losing too much material for the queen. I think this is quite a high price. Am I getting a piece back? My back row, hold on. We'll sort out this back row issue, little issue. More than a little issue, okay. Alright, time. Yeah. Protect against knight takes. Okay, it's a bit awkward this. I think the worst is over from that opening. Yeah, it can be quite an annoying opening, that. Bishop. Ooh. More. Yes. Oh, nasty pin as well. Oh, crikey. This doesn't look hot. There's bishop b6. What's happened there? Mind you, he's got a nasty pin now to deal with, losing lots of material. Best that was me, then it was him. Yeah, that pin on g3 looks end of game for a moment. I think d5 here, gaining a bit of space. Can I get the e-file? Because I think there'll be knight e6 after. If I could grab this e-file, I think I've got knight e4 to f6 rather. Does he doesn't take time out to take pawn, does he? Right, I can get that f6 square. I can play rook e8. Well, I did have rook e8, trying to win the queen, I've just realised. Maybe I've still got it on here, because I think takes is... no, he's got f6, it's not mating, I thought king g8 with queen g7. He's got, while he's got f6, that's not working, is it? Let's just reinforce e-file then. Maybe, actually, maybe there was queen h, not queen h4. Okay, I'm getting much. Take this. Form pawn? Is that enough in the ending? Ah, can I stop him getting my pawn? If I can stop him getting the form pawn, about 9 seconds. Oh, there's a way round here to go this way. Just realised. Oh, we got a draw. I got a draw because I was going to lose on time there. Yeah, okay. Well played, yeah. Well played. I'll take her. I think this might be the way to go. Knight e4. Famous last words. Is this the right position? I don't know now. Bishop c5. It looks reasonable. Queen h4. Bishop f. Bishop a6. Oh, bishop. What's wrong with bishop g4 actually? Yeah, this is bishop g4. Okay. Tango. Yes, he's entering the tango. So bishop c5, a6. Drop the bishop back, generally. And go for the attack. This is one of my favourites. So h5, knight h4. This is the favourite. Knight h4, knight f4, rook h6, rook g6. That sort of thing. Queen h4, knight e3. Oh, not yet. Okay, that's not working. Okay, okay. Knight h3. It's not. It's preventing it. Okay. Don't tell me this knight is stranded. Is my knight stranded? I'm wondering. Knight b2. I guess it's got a way around. Yeah. Okay. This is e4. e4. We'll take. It's not what I expected. I didn't expect this necessarily. Okay. Oh, I got the passed pawns. If I get d4 in, I'll be happy. He's not letting that happen. Yes. Well, now d4 looks ominous. Yes. Oh. Dangerous, the passed pawns. Okay, I think just one more. And then until next week, I hope you enjoyed it a bit. Okay, for a quick bullet session, bullet nonsense session. So, what are we doing here? Bishop g4. Maybe the bishop comes back to. I don't want to lose h7 in a hurry though. Okay, I'll take and then f5 e4 or queen e7 ed. I wonder. They quit. Okay, it's my move. What do I do? It's check. Got to get out of the check. Okay. Yeah. Getting kicked around a bit. Active knight. Hoping it's worth something. Actually, I think I should blockade these pawns or take c4 maybe. Yeah. Okay, I'll try and go for the king now. Or not. Okay, this is tricky. Oh, come on. Start moving. Oh, any 8 seconds I'm going to lose on time here. I think it's pre-move time for sure. It's pre-move time for sure. Oh, I don't know. It's all a panic. Okay, it's nonsense. I'm off. Okay, just a bit of got it, nonsense. Alright, until next week, thanks so much. Cheers then.